All right, today's day trading recap here, midway through the day, through the trading day. I only close the business for me because I only trade the first half of the day. I don't see a point in trading all day. Sometimes there's trading, there's movement that you could trade in at all times, really, especially with the futures market. But I don't like to trade the first half of the day. So I'm gonna try to get from now on, I'm gonna try to have all my recaps done by today. The first one was the way that it was because I just started. But anyway, so today I only traded in the TopStep account because I wanna go ahead and get through this combine evaluation, their little evaluation, so I can see how this goes and try to get funded. So I'm already green for the month in my real trading account. So there's really no need to trade there. Just go ahead and get this knocked out. Moving forward, I'm probably gonna do like half and half. I'm gonna try to trade both accounts, but for right now, for today, I just went ahead and put all attention towards TopStep. If I run into any hiccups or anything, I can go ahead and deal with it and I don't have to worry about what's going on with my live money or nothing like that. I can just focus all on this one account. So anyway, so my profit for today, I took 6 trades. All right, the last one I had an issue, so it should have been more. My PL should have been more than what it is because I could have got a little bit more from that. But it was a bunch of scalping today. Basically, is what happened. It was a whole lot of scalping in the first about, as you can see here. Let's see if I can zoom in. I'd say about the first 30 minutes, looks like. Yeah, about the first 30 minutes, it was like pretty choppy. So I basically just was scalping. I was doing a whole lot of scalping, getting some moves here, moves there, and didn't really get a full ride. A couple of them I could have held for longer, but I just wanted to go ahead and get in the green and stay green, and so I took the chops because I thought it was still choppy, so I took the scalps and just kept it moving and looked for the next play until I did that until about right up in here, right before the big pop. At just like 10:10 is what time that was. That's the time that I exited the last trade because it just seemed really choppy at that time. And so I was like, okay, market's really choppy, and I kind of stopped looking after this. I was like, whatever, we'll get to it, we'll make some more money, or we can, there's always Monday, okay. So the market's gonna be open Monday. I heard that somewhere. But so anyway, I walked away today with, you see right here, with $120. Not great, but not bad. At least I didn't add any more. I didn't go further into the negative in this. The target I'm trying to get to is $2,000, and I have to trade in this account for at least 5 days. They need 5 days of data. Now I'm still gonna make a separate video explaining this whole thing, but since I only traded in this account today, this would be like day one of that journey towards getting funded in this account. Because and I'm gonna keep y'all up to date how that journey goes. I saw a couple other videos on YouTube where people started tracking their journey through the YouTube videos, and then it's just they kind of disappeared after that. They didn't show it if they got funded or whatever. So I'm gonna go through the whole process. I'm not gonna start, and then if something bad happens, I don't mind being transparent. So if something bad happens, I'll let you know. If I don't get funded for whatever reason, I'm gonna let you know. I'm not gonna leave you guys that are following me hanging, right? And for anybody who comes to see this in the future, you know what I'm saying, I want to make sure y'all know and understand the full process. Even whatever the case may be, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to keep y'all up to date as much as possible. So, let's see. Now, I should have ran through this. Wait a minute. I got notifications. Let me see. How can I see? That's not it. That's not it. That's how you make an order. I'm looking for how I can see my the trades that I took. It's gonna take me a bit of getting used to this. I kind of remember what I did. Oh wait, let me get rid of that right there. Sorry about that. All right, now, okay, so the first trade I took, it was just a little scalp up in here. Let's see if I can bring the 1 minute up. Now I know it's the last video when I zoomed in, it kind of cut half of it off, so that's another thing I got to figure out how I'm going to, maybe that'll help. So that y'all can see what I'm doing and it not cut off half of the trading screen. But I basically traded this off the 1 minute. I traded this breakout right here and it chopped around for a bit, and then I went ahead and just got on up out of it. I exited the position. I believe I got back in it again, if I'm not mistaken, once it broke this and then took another scalp. So that was 2 scalps that I took long today. And so then I watched it. I didn't take any more trades. I watched it turn over, and then I took a trade short. Once I saw it pop up here, I bought that pullback. Well, I sold to enter into the pullback right here to take it short. Can't remember exactly what that trade looked like, because it's gonna take me a minute so I can get this polished and I can let y'all see exactly what's going on. But basically I took another scalp here, and I think the last one, I think that was actually, that might have been the last trade I took. Yeah, that was the last trade I took. But that would be 3. So I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna have to look at that again, because I kind of forgot exactly why I did what. Let's see. Let's say create time. Anyway, I'm gonna look at that, and I'm gonna be a little more polished for the next ones, the next recaps. Yeah, I think those last trade I took there, because if I go back over here to this 5 minute, and then you can see I took another one here. I took another scalp down here. It was a short. It doesn't show. It's not showing me where my entry is. I don't know why. But you see the exit was here, and then I didn't take anything else. I got it somewhere. Oh, I think I got it right there. I think that's. Anyway, oh yeah, you can see it. I got in right there, and I got out there after it chopped around for a bit, and then it pulled back, and then once I saw it bouncing right here off this EMA, and this is why I made a mistake. I wanted to hold it a little bit longer, but I was trying to set up just in case it didn't go in the direction that I wanted to go fast enough. Go ahead and get out, but something happened in it, and it took off to where it took out the option to where I have to confirm the order. So it just, when I clicked it to set it up to get out, it just took me straight out the trade. But it was a break even, no gain, no loss, just 0, as you can see. And then I stopped trading after that, and then went to do some other things. So and that's pretty much it. So in this account, I'm still, from that loss yesterday, it's still in a negative. I didn't reset the account because I didn't want to spend extra $100 to reset it. So I have to make that back up, and I got to get to, it hasn't updated to show me how far I am to that target, to the $2,000 target. But let's see. So I got about 2,300 more to go. $2,000 and $300 more to go to hit the target in the first step, and then I gotta do it again. So I get 5 days at least minimum to hit this first target. I mean, I could take as long as I want, but they need a minimum of 5 days. And then the next step, I gotta make another 2,000 again, and they need a minimum of, I think it's like 10 days to evaluate my trading off of, and then I should get funded. So leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.